Hi, I'm Amy and we're here at the Gisborne Plumbing World Showroom. Let's take a look around. So this is an example of a wall-hung vanity unit, which comes in all different sizes depending on the space of your bathroom. And what it does is it does give you that eye line straight to the wall. So the more floor you can see, the more space you feel like you have in the bathroom. So here we've got a floor standing vanity. So you've got both big drawers here, which provide heaps of space for storing everything. If you've got space to take it right down to the floor, then extra storage is key. So this is a way to bring in a really organic feel with the natural materials. And with this particular vanity, you've got these curved edges, which is great in a small space, easier to get around. Even though it's a wall hung vanity, it's still got that depth to it. So you've still got a single drawer, but it's got a great amount of storage in there and a great amount of height. So when looking at your design, also look at different solid surfaces. So there's some options here with some different colors and textures. When you're looking at different cupboard fronts for your vanities, come in, take some of these samples home, see what you've got going on, and if you want to match it to your wooden floor or something else that's going on in the room, so you can then choose the one that works best in your space. You want to think about your tapware, so if it isn't coming out of the wall, then you need to make sure just that it does reach over your bowl. The tap selection is huge. So there's so many finishes, colours, styles, round, square, modern, contemporary. When it comes to basins, you can have your recess basin or your countertop basin. Loads of cool different colours and finishes coming through now. As far as showers go, a sliding door is a perfect option if you want to save on space. If you can have a door in your shower, it just stops water. So here we've got the round shower, great in the corner of a room. This one is 1 metre by 1 metre, so great if you've got enough space. When thinking about the toilet for your space, whether it's your powder room or your bathroom, again, be mindful about what else is going on in there. So look at the shape. If you've got a soft closed seat, nothing worse than someone banging the toilet seat down. And for something a bit more special, there's the bidet toilet, which has warm water, a dryer, and a heated seat. What more could you want? So when it comes to baths, there's a lot. So take into consideration, obviously, again, the space of your room. So you've got your back to wall if you don't have many surfaces to put your things on. And then there's your freestanding baths, your round, your square. So another thing to consider too is length. If you've got really long legs and you've got space, get a longer bath. But definitely pop in, have a lie down and just see how it feels. So that's enough from me. Get down and check out your local Plumbing World store.